Okay, I'm just going to show you how to do the sharing of the sound in case you want to play pre-recorded music. You click on the share screen button, and the share screen basically lets you choose one of your open windows on your computer. So say that this window here was your audio player that was to play the song, like I don't know, it might be iTunes or it might be Sound Studio or QuickTime or whatever. You would click on that with the mouse to share that one, but you also need to click Share Computer Sound. That means the sound from the computer will go through to all of us. So you'd click that first, and then you click on whatever the app is that plays your music, and then it will work. There's another way of doing it. If you go to the Advanced tab up the top here, you can just share the computer sound on music only. So that means that say you're playing your song in iTunes or Windows Media Player or whatever, you can just have that playing on the computer, and you can just click share computer sound only, and then when you do the share, your video will still be showing to us, but we'll also be hearing the sound. So they're the two main options for doing sharing music that you've already recorded.